and the kisses. Oh my God, that's another thing you reminded me. Yes, guys. So there's kiss part. Okay, let me not put as kiss, but once I came here, I saw people greeting each other like you hug, then like then I was like, kisses. What is this? 3 oh my kisses. God. Yeah, here, and I think another here.
Yeah. Can we have a hug?
No problem, no problem. You want a hug? Thank you.
Let's have a hug. Wow. Guys, that is enough. That is enough.
You're so funny.
Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I can say I'm blessed, or I'm honored to host a great YouTuber from 254 from Kenya but living in Burundi. Welcome, my sister.
Thank you so much.
Okay, introduce yourself for viewers.
Okay, thank you. Hi viewers from Zoe Daily TV. My name is rekelblessed. I have a channel, rekelblessed. Yeah, I am a Kenyan living in Burundi, and I'm happy to be here. Yeah.
Okay, rekelblessed, you are welcome. Feel free, feel at home.
Thank you.
Today is how many times you've been a guest for somewhere, maybe, or you used to be a host every day?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
This is my first interview from any YouTuber, or let me say any interview here in Burundi.
Wow.
This is the first one.
First time.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Sure.
So rekelblessed.
Yeah.
How are you doing? How is your work?
I'm doing great, as you can see.
Yeah.
I cannot complain. I thank God where I am. When it comes to work, I can say we are there.
Okay.
We are there. We cannot complain. Work is good. Everything is just cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. How do you see Burundi? Because maybe you are from Kenya, but for now you live in Burundi. How do you see Burundi? How you used to hear about Burundi, and if you compare about what you used to hear about maybe different stories about Burundi, and now you are here in Burundi, there's any difference or?
I can say when I compare Burundi to Kenya,
I said the way you used to hear about Burundi, and the way you see it when you are here in
okay,
Burundi.
now I have understood your question. Yeah, so guys, can I say just a short story?
Yes.
Yeah, so when I wanted first to visit Burundi, I got some fears because I went and researched, any country you want to go to, you research first.
Yep.
So I went, researched anything in the media, just negative. Oh, Burundi, the poorest country. Or Burundi, insecurities. Or they not good country for foreigners. Things like that. Then I was like, I'm an African, but they do this even to fellow Africans because I'm part of the foreigner. As long as I'm not from your country, you understand? That side then. So I had fears and a lot of insecurities in my heart. But I decided to try it because I'm a go-getter and I'm a risk taker. So all the way I came to Burundi, I was having some fears still. On the plane, I didn't enjoy.
Wow.
I didn't enjoy. I was like, oh my God, I'm going to die.
Oh.
They're going to kill me. What will happen, Such kind of questions.
Okay.
Then when I came here, the people welcomed me from the airport. Oh my God, it was heaven on earth. Wow. And then I felt welcomed. They are so welcoming. They know how to welcome visitors.
Okay.
And then everything from that moment changed. My fears, everything, because I saw what I expected is not what I got.
Wow.
So Burundi is a good country. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So many people outside there, they hear about Burundi. It's our time to change narratives like you started.
Yeah.
So people hear many stories, maybe negative side. There is many things like many story here, good story here, good thing, but sometimes media, they don't talk about.
Sure.
So first of all, I would like to thank you. Like your channel, I think your channel is the first time to promote about Burundi.
Sure.
To show maybe
yeah.
good places, to show, to say, to talk good news about Burundi.
Yeah.
And from there, maybe people, they start see that there is maybe peace in Burundi.
Yeah.
There's a good place in Burundi. There's good hotels here.
Yeah.
So I would like to congratulate you and to say thank you, because okay, imagine you are not born here,
yeah,
but you love Burundi.
Sure.
Sometimes than Burundians.
Yeah.
Because there is many Burundians here, but to say positive way about the country, maybe it has become hard, but I'm joining you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so to add on that, I can say, you know, it all depends from the perspective you view from. Because, like you have just said, some Burundians are not proud to be Burundians, but that will not change a thing. You are a Burundian. Whether you go any part of the world, you will still be a Burundian. You were born here, you have roots here, maybe by blood, relatives, things like that. So it all based here in your mind. If you see a problem, what solution are you giving, you know? And that's why I started to showcase the positive. I'm trying to cover most of the time the positive, as much as we hear all the negatives, which are there in every country. You cannot tell me every country there is no the poor part. They are, you know. There are no insecurities. They are. Development, not in every country, even the most developed, you'll find still there are areas which are underdeveloped. But now when it comes here to Burundi, people just want to showcase that part, the baddest, but they leave the good. Do you know, even in Burundi, like what we feature in the channel, there are good houses. There are places where it's like America, Dubai, in Burundi, but people don't show that. Yeah, so it all depends from your perspective. What do you want people to feed, or what you want to bring out? Do you want every time negativity? Do you want every time positivity? Well, it's up to you. Yeah, so I can say that. Okay. It's not all a matter of negativity all the time.
Wow, that's right. So, rekelblessed, I would like to ask another question.
Yeah.
Since you reach here in Burundi, I would like to ask which things you like here in Burundi. Maybe about food, maybe about drink, maybe about lifestyle, the way you live with people, Burundian people, maybe about transport, you know, anything you like about Burundi country. You can share with others. Maybe there is other people there, they would like to visit Burundi, but they fear. They say, oh, about food in Burundi, maybe I will not get something to drink there in Burundi. Tell them.
Yeah, so what I like about Burundi.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you to my husband. Yeah, wherever you are.
Wow.
Yeah, he's the one who made me fall in love with Burundi.
Wow.
Yeah, so everything, starting from the culture. Guys, do you know, among all countries I've seen or gone to, Burundi is still rich in their culture. They still follow it. They follow their culture. The culture is so good, especially the beating of drums. Oh my God, I like it. I like it so much.
How about to dance?
The dancing, how they dance like this.
Yeah.
Ooh. And I think the same thing to the Rwandese.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
the same culture,
almost the same. Yeah. So about the culture, food, plenty of food, fresh from the farm. It's the country I've come to see. Okay, I'm not saying that other countries don't have plenty food, but the thing is, Burundi has a lot of arable lands that they don't put to use. It's only meant for farming. So you find food is in plenty and fresh. such that even now, if I want to eat something we call terere in Kenya, here it is renga. I just go pluck in the farm, then I come and cook direct. Yeah, so food. Another thing I loved about Burundi, welcoming, how people are welcoming. Yeah, you see the people love visitors, and also you feel at home.
And they like to hug.
And the kisses, oh my God, that's another thing you reminded me. Yes, guys. So there's kiss part. Okay, let me not put as kiss, but once I came here, I saw people greeting each other like you hug, then like mwah, mwah. Then I was like, kisses. What is this?
3
oh my
kisses.
God. Yeah, here, and I think another here.
Yeah.
3. Then I was like, oh my God, what is this? Try that in Kenya. You are like, those people love each other.
Yeah. But it is for everybody.
Yeah. Both men, women, anyone. So I was surprised, culture shock. So yeah, that's something that, the hugs. You'll get so many hugs, guys. So many hugs. Another thing I love are the Burundian men, including my husband. Let me not categorize men. I think all of them are like that. I don't know, but from how my husband treats me, it's so different from Kenyan men. That one's for true. And Kenya, don't come rushing on my back. No, it's the truth. Me, I usually speak what I'm
Kenyan
seeing.
men are going to complain about this.
No, please, Kenyan men, you are the best. But my Burundian...
From your experience, you never get married for Kenyan, maybe.
But I dated.
Yeah, you dated, but you never get married.
Yeah. The experience so different, guys. So different. I think I'll talk about this another time, not here.
Another topic.
Yes, another topic.
Go ahead.
Yeah. What else I love? Wow. I love how their weddings are organized. Because, guys, in Burundi, to find a come-we-stay marriage,
no, there is no come-and-stay.
Very difficult. Let me just say, even to just get it, it's like this, you see? Yeah, out of, for example, 100%, it's only 1% come-we-stay.
Sure.
But 99%,
they are official weddings.
Official wedding.
Yeah.
Such that government knows, and the family and all the organizations, they know this is your wife, this is your husband.
Yeah.
That's also some of the thing I really like about here, because there will not be, you see those wrangles when one is not there. People usually know you have a family.
Sure.
Yeah, so and many other things. Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's good. So, rekelblessed, you are YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
You are YouTuber. People, they are going to check, maybe to visit. Maybe my subscriber also from today are going to be your subscriber. I will mention your channel name there. So they visit your videos, and I know they are going to enjoy.
Thank you.
So, rekelblessed, how do you experience about being a YouTuber in Africa?
Yeah. Let me start by this. When you start something, obvious the start is always difficult.
Sure.
Anything, regardless of what you're starting.
Yeah.
May it be business, may it be building, may it be singing, doing films.
Sure.
Everything from the start has some difficulties, but it all depends on what you want. You are how will I make it in this thing you have started. So being a YouTuber, more so in Africa, because I'm an African and we are all Africans here, but also some other people who are viewing us from other continents.
Sure.
So we are speaking about the difficulties as African. First of all, for me when I started, my channel is not that old, like 3 months now, something like that. I started because I saw the need for me to showcase Burundi in another way, not the way that they usually portray out there.
Yeah.
And I looked and I saw what can I do such that I'm in Burundi, but when I see all other channels in Burundi, it's all about interviews, entertainment, nothing about tourism, nothing about showcasing the Burundi to the world, nothing at all. So I saw these media are the ones who are supposed to show Burundi in another way. As much as you are doing entertainment, because even showcasing the country is entertainment. But there is need people to know there is a country called Burundi, and this is where it's located, and this is what it's famous for.
Sure.
In a positive way, because also a country has both positive and negative things.
Sure.
But I sat down and I saw, let me start. I can impact the world in this way. So my journey started from there, and it was not easy. First of all, being Burundi, speak Kirundi and French. And you know me, I am from English Swahili place, so it became a bit difficult. Language barrier. So finding like how I wanted to do great. I'm still on the way, but now the language, like I wanted to get to people, many people whom they can give us more information about Burundi. But now I reach to them, but the language, they speak Kirundi, French. For me, it's English, Swahili. So it become a bit difficult sometimes. You see what this content, can it reach where I want it to reach? Then you see once you started, no going back. So you need plan B. If, for example, language is a barrier, what next? You understand? So and that's why you see my channel is not all about interviewing people. It's all about Burundi at a whole, and other countries, my life here in Burundi, everything. Yeah, that's why I decided not to lean like I will be doing only interviews. No, I'll be doing general things about my life in Burundi, and the countries I'll travel into, even if it's not in Burundi.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, sure.
Have you started to learn maybe Burundian language or not yet?
I can see where you're coming. I really am putting more effort. I hope 2 to 3 years from now, I'll be fluent in Kirundi.
Any word in Kirundi you already know?
Yeah.
Maybe you can say 1 or 2 or 3. Which one?
Okay. Kaze muri Nzoyi Daily TV. Turawashima. Turi kumwe vyose virashoboka. Yes.
Translate for our viewers.
Welcome to Nzoyi Daily TV. Together, we appreciate you. Together, stronger together. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, you hear our sister here. She already knows Kirundi.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Wow, you are doing a great job, actually. And we appreciate your effort.
Thank you.
For sure, you are doing very good job for showing a good image of our country.
Thank you.
That's why I decided to come and have one-on-one today about maybe your job. So, rekelblessed, another question. How many years you've been here in Burundi?
Okay, speaking about years, when I first came here in Burundi, it was in 2019, August date 11. I still remember the date because of the good welcome.
Date 11.
Yeah. So 2019 August date 11 was my first time here, and I just come like a visitor.
Visit maybe.
Yeah. I visit, then I go. So from then I've been coming and going, like 1 week, 3 days, things like that. But now when I got engaged here in Burundi, and since marriage, it has been my 1 year and some months. Now this month when it reached July 17, I'm going to click exactly 2 years.
Oh, 2 years.
Yeah.
So have you visited another provinces here in Burundi, maybe to see how lifestyle is?
Yeah.
Have you met maybe a Burundian YouTuber?
Yeah.
Have maybe 101.
Yeah.
So tell us about.
Guys, thank you so much. I've visited places like Muyinga. Wow, my God, that place is magical, you know.
Muyinga.
Yeah, I went to see the pygmies, Batwa living in Burundi,
yeah, sure.
the least minority. And we had a great time, guys. We had a great times. Yeah, so I visited Muyinga. I've gone to a place called Gitega. I've visited Makamba, Sosumo, here in Bujumbura. How am I forgetting where we are? Yeah, so here in Bujumbura, this
place.
Mwaro.
Yeah, Mwaro.
Yeah, those places. Let me say Rumonge.
Wow.
Yeah, I've visited, and I'm still planning to go visit some more places.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. So, our viewers, you see our sister here. Go and subscribe to rekelblessed. Support our sister here. She's doing a great job for sure.
Thank you.
And you, maybe for diaspora who live there in Burundi, we need your support. We have to bring the image of Burundi for the world to see the difference between the nowadays image and the oldest image they used to hear.
Sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because nowadays in Burundi there is a peace. It's a peaceful country. Any visitor can come, no any problem. There is good hotels here. There is a good beaches.
Yeah.
Maybe how about the beach?
Yeah,
Have you visited some beaches here in Burundi?
I like nature.
Yeah,
That's I really like nature, animals, nature, water, anything to deal with nature. That's my thing.
Wow.
So it's a must. Even I think the day before yesterday. Yeah, just nature. I really like. If I'm bored, I just go I just go to the beach to enjoy myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
And I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, you visited Makamba.
Yeah.
You visited Makamba. What was your plan? There?
Okay, so when I started this YouTube channel, I was trying to see if there are other YouTubers here in Burundi.
Yeah.
Like I just explained, I found out that most of them speak in Kirundi and French. But now I looked someone called Burundian Traveler, who uses extremely just English language.
Yeah.
So I reached out and we did something together. And from then, it has been history.
Yeah.
We have been the best of friends. And now I saw that he's building his mama house. And that guy is from far, you know, when you sit down with a friend and you get to hear the history, where he's from. So I saw it better. Why not? I go support. So I went to just show support and to know the place where he's coming from, so that next time if I want to go, I'll just be knowing where I'm going. Yeah, so my main aim was to go visit him and also to show support from how to the world, how the building has reached. Yeah, so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Let me take this opportunity to thank you, rekelblessed, for accept to sit here and maybe have a conversation and have one-on-one for different stories about Burundi.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to say your last word about to tell our viewers, before we finish this interview.
Okay, my last words, thank you so much for this opportunity. I like to tell Burundians, and even if you're not a Burundian and you're viewing this channel, welcome to this channel, first of all, and show support. And just be proud of where you're from, be proud of your country, because I see some who are very negative, some even are Burundians but born in other countries. Visit your country, no matter what, you still have the blood, the deep in your veins, the blood is still circulating. You are from Burundi, you know. Yeah, so just be proud, visit your country, support your own. This is something also I like to talk about. You support your own people, guys.
Sure.
Imagine I'm here. There is a Kenyan who usually help the batwa, things like that, not like helping. It's empowerment.
Yeah.
She empowers. It's a Kenyan community, and we come together, and but it is a bit difficult for Burundians to, when we call upon them, it's maybe 1, 2. Yeah, so about support, guys, we really need to support our own, isn't it? Because now I'm part of you.
Sure.
Yeah, so that's another thing. Another thing I like to say, guys, kindly visit my channel, rekelblessed, REKELBLESSED, and show support. Yeah,
Subscribe
and
there.
yeah, we have lot is coming, more in store for you guys.
Yeah.
And you just tell Eric how the interview has been. Just comment down below in this
Put
channel.
comment there.
Yeah.
So we reply about your comment.
Thank you.
So guys, let me take this opportunity to thank for our viewers and thank our sister here. Remember, everywhere you are, every day, home is the best place.
Sure.
Yeah, you can maybe visit many countries in the world.
Yeah.
And you maybe forget your home, but it is not a good.
Yeah.
It is not good maybe decision. But remember your home. Come back. Build your country. Promote your country.
Sure.
Talk about your country and in a positive way.
Yeah.
For sure, God will bless you.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to Nzoi Daily. We are here. We give you many content about Burundi and about many countries in Africa and in the whole world.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Rekelblessed.
Yeah.
Can we have a hug?
No problem. No problem. You want a hug? Thank you.
Let's have a hug. Wow. Guys,
Bye.
you see? But that is enough. That is enough.
You're so funny.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.